Well, that's smoking this.
Don't do it. It's your video.
You like smoking the intro?
Yeah, you smoke in the intro.
Yeah, true. I do.
Can I put my feet up?
I don't care what you do.
Do you reckon I could try doing that?
Oh, where I put my smokes.
Oh, jeez.
Don't break my table. Now they're not going to be able to cut. You move the...
What's this?
No, it's not going to go back, bro.
Why not?
Because my foot's there. Well, there you go. So now you're probably out of shot. Don't hit my foot. Continuity shot.
Take two.
Take two. Hello and welcome to Better Totes and Gardens. We have literally just been told we're going to sit in here and talk about the end of the year, which is great because it is...
Couldn't come quick enough.
Couldn't come quick enough at the moment.
We're in Shane's room.
The room of shame.
The room of shame.
Shame. Yeah, same thing.
Shame. I don't really venture in here often.
Crap.
Yeah, it keeps his DVDs, his He-Man toys, his books, his junk, basically.
Guitars and amps.
Coming to you live from Shane's
Record
room.
player. Broken equipment everywhere.
Big news though, I get to sit in the good chair today. Shane
That's
never
my
lets me
chair.
sit in the good chair.
That's where my buddies hang out. I need a drink because I'm thirsty.
Also, how nice has it been meeting some of the people that actually watch this show?
Yeah, you guys are fucking awesome. I've met some fucking real characters and I appreciate it.
That nice man on Sunday night?
Yeah.
Wearing the coffin shirt?
Everyone.
Everyone.
I get pulled over all the time about it and I'm like, we don't get that many views. So I think I've met you all now.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. It's views are all
It's
pretty
really
funny.
nice.
But it's really nice to do it because I think I spoke to someone like a couple of months back, maybe a couple of weeks ago, and they said, hey, just keep doing it. We're enjoying the journey. Doesn't matter how many people watch. I'm like, I don't really care how many people are watching because we're the way, this is how f***ed up I am. The way I look at it is I'm just documenting the shit I need to remember in a couple of years' time. Just go, what the f*** did we do? And I can look back. So, we have all that footage to go, oh, that's right, we did this. It's really just for me and Pip. Really. Just to go, oh, that's right, we did that. But, we're going to thank everyone that works with us as well. Because, some of the things that we've dealt with off camera.
Oh, yeah.
In that pub.
You got to apologise to all the people that work with us for the swearing off camera. Think swearing is bad on camera.
I think I'm bad on camera. Should hear me lose my shit.
And me and Jacob or Joe, whoever it is, we all just go like this at each other, give each other eyes and walk off.
Yeah. I'm a yeller.
Yeah. Don't hold your emotions in, do you, Shane?
Do not.
You like to really let them out
really
there so everyone knows how you're feeling.
Move straight down the line. Not at people, I yell into the ether.
Yeah.
Anyway, here we are. Well, I don't know what we're talking about. I suppose we just got told we've done, this is the 47th or is this the 46th?
I feel like you said 45th.
We've done 45 or we've done 46? This might be the 46th or 47th episode of Better Totes and Gardens. That we kind of took off and it has reached the illustrious highs that we knew it would. It's been a tough year.
It's been a real tough year.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're doing our Christmas wrap-up.
Oh, yeah, Christmas wrap-up. I'm tired. It's been tough.
Yeah, I'm pretty tired.
Physically tired. I'm mentally tired. My hair is tired.
Yeah.
I'm exhausted.
But yeah, here we are, talking about shit. There's people working outside and they're making a lot of noise.
But we've wrapped the year up.
We'll wrap the year up. We've had an interesting year. It's not been the easiest year. It's probably been, in all honesty, it's been this is even harder than the first year we had at Last Chance, which was
That was hard.
That was a really, really tough year.
I think this year's been harder than that year.
Yeah, and this year has been harder than that year. It's been very mentally exhausting in a lot of different ways. I think adapting has been really tough. I think the constant... Well, we always walk into a world of shit, don't we? I don't know. I think it can be summed up by the kitchen. You pull one thing apart, and then you've got to pull 10 things apart because there's 10 more things that need to be fixed. And that's literally problem upon problem upon problem, which is fine. We're used to it, but I think just with the operating environment that we're in, it's tough. We got a lot of positive feedback from someone that's really important to our business. And they said, I can't believe you're doing all this.
That was a really positive day,
It was a real positive day. To go that they were like, nobody does this shit. They just say they do it, and then that you guys have got video proof of it. And I was like, yeah, well, you know. Like,
he was really impressed.
we're not f***ing around, so I was pretty happy with that.
I was also happy with the most cosmetic thing was having the Christmas windows.
Yeah, I love the Christmas windows. We're going to do that every year.
If you haven't seen the Christmas windows that Captain Preston did out the front.
Yeah. Oh, I had a chicken sandwich for lunch and it stinks.
What are your goals for next year, Shane?
The t-shirts off. Get rid of
Number
them.
one.
Well, I think, look, the first year of business is always the hardest. And we've been in it for a year and
it's been hard.
it's been really hard. It really has. It kind of... I've never thought... I'm not a quitter of things. And a couple of times this year I went...
A few times I've said, I'm like, I don't want to do this anymore. Yeah. I don't want this.
But that was just...
That's just in the moment, isn't it?
It's got to be...
all built up.
Yeah, we had some real big setbacks. That will remain unsaid. But, there were setbacks that cost us a lot of money.
It was a bit heartbreaking, wasn't it?
And, it's a shame that it's those things that make you want to quit. But then you kind of like dig in and you go, well, f*** it, this is what I do. I'm going to keep going. Like, it's always out. It's never you that brings yourself down. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. But I don't know. We had some real nasty things happen to us this year. Like, people threatening to shoot us and...
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Yeah, that sort of...
And all sorts of crazy shit. Like, we've got a couple of...
I laugh now.
Yeah,
but
it wasn't funny.
It's not funny.
Like,
it's actually really stressful.
Had some crazy...
Had some doozies happen, didn't we?
Had some doozies. Like, yeah, some of it where you go, what the fuck's going on? But yeah, some things that have happened where you're like, oh... we literally do this for nothing. We don't do this for money. We don't earn money off this. We don't...
That's why I collect all my change.
Yes.
Count my change at the end of the year.
Yeah, we in the way business has been working, we've been, given half our wage to God, and the rest is going back to the pubs. So...
I'm not being rude, I'm just messaging Jacob back.
But yeah, I think that's it. I think that'd be the toughest bit. Like, just those bits where you want to quit.
Exhausting.
But, we do have a good time. Like, in the positives, we've had some amazing bands through. We've had some amazing performances,
What's your favourite band this year?
It's a weird one for me. I mean, Coffin and the Kremlins playing together on my birthday would be something I'll...
Bit special.
It's a bit special for me. You know? It was a weird day. But yeah, I think that they're just two bands that I connect with on a really deep level. So that will probably be one of my favourite gigs of all time, I think. So yeah, what about yours?
There's heaps, but the one that sticks out for me was because I was feeling so exhausted and a bit low and off it. And then I got over quickly. I drove over quickly right on time to see, or you can pick me up, to see the end of Dark Thoughts.
Oh yeah, that was really good.
And just watching that 10
Yeah.
minutes pepped me up.
Yeah.
And it stands out for me because I'm like, okay, I feel better now.
Yeah.
Watching a sick band,
Yeah,
I only saw 10 minutes. I'm like, this is all I need. I'm okay now.
It's the weird thing about working in live music in a venue. I actually see more sound check than I do bands. I only catch bands for maybe
Yeah, I don't see them
a couple of minutes of each one. I always try and take the time to stop, watch, appreciate it. But I've always had that theory that you do all the hard work throughout the week. For that 5 minutes, you get to sit there and watch a band.
It's worth it.
And it's worth it.
When you get to see a really good band, you're like, okay, I feel a bit better now.
But yeah, we have to... So we just have to thank everyone for their patience as well, because we're still working through those f***ing T-shirts. I don't know if I have to explain that again, but we're paying for them ourselves, and tell you what, we're not earning much money.
I count up. What did we do the other night? Count up all my change.
Oh, so if anyone would like to ask, well, I know you're all going to ask. So, this is the number one question I've got for the last month. Are you taking any time off?
Yes.
Yes.
For the first time in 2 years.
Yeah, kind of. I had a couple of weeks off this year, but it was due to illness. It was not well.
It wasn't fun. Let's have a beer in the sunshine.
No, I didn't go out.
It's actually really depressing.
And I worked from a lounge, literally worked from a lounge, and was really, really sick. And I'm still pretty sick, but I can walk around now because I've got some good tablets that they give me.
Walk it off, pal.
Walk it off. But yeah, we are. We're taking 4 days off.
2 of them are driving days.
Two are driving days, but that's fine because we've really...
We like driving.
Yeah, and Pip has given me... Pip has given me a great... We do podcasts in the car.
No, you do.
I do podcasts.
Shane doesn't let me listen to music in the car. He doesn't want a fun time.
No, I
driving.
want an informative time.
He either wants it silence, which is
I love silence.
depressing when you're trying to pepper.
Walking around.
Or he wants... Well, listen to some of the podcasts.
But you sleep for 80% of the trip.
It's not my fault, Shane. I can't.
Well, I'm not sitting there.
I can't predict when I'm going to fall asleep or be awake.
I
It's
can
not
predict.
my fault.
She sleeps the whole time she's in the car.
Tired.
So
Really tired.
yeah. So we are. We're going to my hometown. And are we working while we're there? Yes, we are.
No, if we don't have reception.
They do have a reception. They upgraded. They've got actual reception, phone reception there now. So that's how big of a town we're going. And surprisingly, as part of that work, we're doing a Better Totes and Gardens origin story.
Are we really?
Yeah, we are.
Bruh.
Filming. Take you around. Cool them on.
That's why you're from there, aren't you?
Yeah.
So f***ing cool.
No, hold on. Let's get to the real story. When was the last time you saw them all?
They're your family, Shane.
Yeah, but they like you more.
The last time you went to see your family, I unfortunately had to stay at work and watch Coffin.
No, you didn't.
I had to help.
And Amy Taylor and Ben Portnoy, you're all fucking ringing me and texting me every 5 minutes going, where are you?
We're having the best time ever.
I will never forgive. It's the last time Coffin played The Last Chance. It was the first legless day, which is now at the Tote.
I was there.
Leanne was there. I went to a wedding. I went to a wedding.
Well, you made your choice.
And they annoyed the shit out of me. I didn't even have reception for most of the day. But I'd get reception with brief periods and 30, 40 messages would come through. But yeah, you two were the main offenders. hope he's having a good day. I did as well.
You did have a really nice day.
But I'd been wanting that gig for a long time.
Well, maybe if you keep wishing for something, you might get it again.
Yeah, it was literally 11 a.m. It was 11. And someone who texted me straight away as soon as I got to the pub and went, "Where are you?" I was like, yeah. Knowing, because Leanne had said, "Hang on," tease him a little bit.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, you did.
Anyway, the point is, we are going to Coolaman.
Yeah, and we're there from Sunday through to Wednesday, and then we drive back. No, Sunday through to Boxing Day.
Yeah, and then we drive back. And I just spent hours counting. Well, this is where we're at. I'm not embarrassed by it. The stars are embarrassed, but I'm not embarrassed. It is embarrassing because I'm a 42-year-old adult.
Yeah.
Counting change. But
we're going to have a bit of change.
I've been saving all my change.
Yeah, for a couple of years now.
No.
It's been a couple of years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's been a couple of years worth of change.
Maybe because there's no change anymore.
Yeah.
But I went through all my change, I bagged it all up, I saved all the good coins, some good ones. And then I got enough money for our petrol money.
Yeah. In silver. We got enough money for petrol.
Accommodation.
Yeah.
And for our care of our precious number one.
Yeah, she gets babysat.
Our cat gets babysat while we're away.
Yeah. Because she's old.
But she needs company. She doesn't want to be alone.
Yeah.
She's all cuddle.
She needs someone to put the TV on for her. I don't know what else I want to hear about.
I want to apologise for my shaky camera skills. I feel like I'm getting better though. Actually, hang on.
What's with the backhand?
Because I've got a point to make.
Yeah.
My camera skills aren't crash hot, but I saw some of your filming the other day.
Oh, it's because I hold it down like that. It's because
Good.
it cuts in stuff when I'm just talking to people.
You're like this, waving it around.
That's right, I'm just walking around, he cuts it in. Not my problem. Not filming it. Yeah, well, I have no apologies.
Any
no
to me?
apologies. My fault. I need a drink because I'm thirsty.